my dear friends. Welcome to ArtMagic. I'm Amelia. I hope you're having a good day, but it's going to get better. Want to do something fun? Here, let me show you some creative magic. You'll love it. So, let's go.
So, dear friends, can you guess what we are going to draw today? We are going to draw a very popular fruit that starts with the letter P. Yes, it's an apple. I know you all love to eat apples because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Wow! It looks very nice. Let's start coloring it. Use red for the skin. And green for the leaf. Light yellow for the inner part of the body. Apples are very popular fruits all over the world, and they are a good source of vitamin C. I love to draw apples. Try this drawing at your home.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.